everybody! I wanted to jump on here and show you one of my faves for working from home because we're all working from home right now. It's my headset. Now, this is my last headset. Because of COVID, my children are also schooling from home. My youngest was so excited in her class, jumping. The headset came off and she stepped on it. Beside that, they've lasted incredibly well for the last 2.5 years of me using them, so I wanted to share them with you as one of my favorite things. I like these headphones because this piece here adjusts in and out, so you can adjust it to your level of comfortability. It also comes with this nice mic cover, and it has a few different ways to connect. There's a headphone jack right here and a USB end right here. The two pieces can connect together in the middle or work separately. When you have them connected together, you can use my favorite feature for these headphones, the mute button. Yes. This is so convenient when working from home when you have extra background noise that's not normally there. Mute. Problem solved. I also love these headphones because they are super comfortable and padded very well. They are noise canceling headphones and they have a very long cord, which is convenient if you're like me and you like to stand or sit, move back, go forward, move around. It has the extra length to accommodate that. Thanks for letting me share this quick tip with you. Now, if you're looking for a job to do from home, check out what I do right here that I love so much. We'll see you in the next video.